If you're watching this video, chances are you've come across this error message before or something similar. The good news is that you're not alone, and there is a quick fix that should do the trick. Here's how to fix the "your connection is not private" error in Chrome. Hi everyone, and welcome to another video from our team. Before we get started, please remember to subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified when we post new tutorials like this one. Let's jump right into it! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to fix the "your connection is not private" error. You see, when trying to connect to an HTTPS secure website, this problem occurs when the data on the website doesn't match what the browser expects, triggering a security response that prevents you from viewing the page. Luckily, there's a very easy solution. Clearing your browser's cache should do the trick. Let me explain. When you browse the internet, your computer stores copies of website files like text, images, and scripts on your hard drive to help your browser load pages faster the next time you visit them. This data is stored in a temporary storage space on your computer called the browser cache. Over time, however, the cache can build up and cause performance issues, triggering the "your connection is not private" error. That's because the cached data may be outdated or corrupted, preventing the website from loading properly. Fortunately, browsers make it easy to clear the cache so you can browse the web without any issues. In Google Chrome, for example, you can clear your cache by following these simple steps. First, open Chrome and then click the 3 vertical dots icon in the top right corner of the window. From the drop-down menu that appears, go to More Tools and then click Clear Browsing Data. In the window that pops up, check the box next to cached images and files and then choose a time range. We recommend selecting all time. Finally, click the Clear Data button and you're done. Now you know how to clear your browsing history on Chrome. But what if you use a different browser, like Firefox? No problem. Let me show you how to do it. In Firefox, first open the browser and then click the 3 horizontal lines icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, go to Settings and then Privacy and Security. Next, scroll down to the Cookies and Site Data section and click Clear Data. Make sure Cached Web Content is checked and then press the Clear Data button. And that's it. What if you use Microsoft Edge? Don't worry, it's just as easy. Open Edge and then click the 3 dots icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then go to Settings and then Privacy, Search, and Services. Next, under Clear Browsing Data, click Choose What to Clear. Make sure cached images and files is checked and then click Clear Now. Finally, let's take a look at how to clear your cache on Apple Safari. Open Safari, then click to the Safari menu in the top left corner of the screen. Go to Preferences and then Privacy. Click Manage Website Data, then Remove All. Confirm that you want to remove all website data and then click Done. And that's it. Now you know how easy it is to clear your cache in just a few simple steps. So when exactly should you do this? It's not something you need to do every day, but it is a good idea to clear your cache every few weeks or whenever websites begin to act up, such as loading slowly, not updating properly, or displaying errors. By clearing your cache, you'll be able to browse the web without any issues. Now, you're welcome. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more tutorials like this one. If you have any questions or need a tutorial for another browser, just drop us a comment and we'll be happy to help. See you next time.